guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I did this holiday makeup look. I really hope you guys enjoy it. I do give you guys two lip combinations. I really like a nude lip, but you can also, dress it up a little bit more with a red lip for the holidays. I know red is a very popular color for the holidays. So I did show you guys my red combo. I'm using the Makeup Forever crayon pencil, and I have no idea what color this is, but it's this one right here. I'll try to find the color and put in the down bar. And my favorite liquid red lip from Morphe. This one is in Morphe, and you could definitely use prettygrace for some money off of Morphe online and in stores. And then for my nude combination, I'm actually using the lip liner from Morphe. This one is in Frenchie, and the lipstick in Kissy Face, and I also paired it up with a little bit of a gloss. I'm using Flower Crown. I really like Boho. That is my favorite lip gloss, but I was like, I use it too much, so I needed to add a different color, so I did decide to use this one. Like I said, you can definitely use prettygrace for some money off. And for my eyes, I decided to use the new Araceli Azteca eyes. This is a new palette that's coming out. I don't know if they already did or they're about to. I think they're about to. I'm not sure. I will correct myself and put the info right here. And this is what the palette's already beat up because I used it, but this is what the palette looks like. And it's so pretty. I really like the palette. You know, you can do a bunch of different makeup looks with it. Let me know if you guys would like to see more looks with this palette. If you guys are interested, let me know. And yeah, so this is what the palette looks like. That's what I used in my eyes. And you will see all that good stuff. For foundation, I did mix two foundations from Morphe. I really have been liking the Morphe foundations. I just feel like it looks really nice. So I will list all that information in the bottom bar. Don't forget to comment and subscribe. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. It helps my channel out a lot. And I think that's about it. If you guys want to see how to get this look, then keep on watching. I love you guys so much, and happy holidays. Bye, guys. So I'm going to go ahead and start off with my bronzer. This one is the Silhouette from Morphe, and you could definitely use prettygrace for some money off. I'm just going to go ahead and bronze up my face because since I applied foundation, I removed any color or anything. So I just want to contour a little bit to make my face seem a little bit slimmer and, a little bit chiseled. Just want to look a little bronzed as well. So I'm just going to go ahead and do that. I also do my jawline just to help it appear less round because I do have a round face, so I do like to make it appear less round. Then I'm just going to go ahead and blend everything out with a brush. Then I'm going to go ahead and apply a little bit of my blush. I actually dropped my palette as I did that face. So I'm just applying a little bit of that. This is the GEEK Cosmetics. I forgot the name of it, but I also have a discount code with them, and it's amazing because they already have low prices, and they offer to give you guys a discount code by using prettygrace for some money off. And I'm also using their highlighter palette, so definitely check them out because the highlighter is like one of my favorites. I really like it because it's just like very pigmented and it pops a lot. So definitely check them out. I'll link everything down below for you guys. As you guys can see, the highlighter is amazing. So definitely check them out, and don't forget to use prettygrace for some money off to help support my taco addiction, as you guys can see. So yeah, I'm just gonna go ahead and apply this on my cheekbones, Cupid's bow, tip of my nose, and bridge of my nose, and a little bit above my brows as well, and a little bit on my chin as well. So I'm just gonna blend everything out, make sure that everything is really nice and blended, and then I just go back with a brush and just help it blend a little bit more, so it doesn't look too crazy. Alright, after that I'm just going to go ahead and contour my nose a little bit. I am using a Jaclyn Hill brush to contour my nose. I feel like this little brush is amazing for that, so definitely pick one up, and you can definitely use my code to get some discount on the brush. So I'm just applying a little bit of setting powder around my nose just to make sure that the contour sets a little bit. And I do let it sit for a little bit, and then I kind of move on to something else. I'm going to be using the Azteca Eyes palette from Araceli Cosmetics. It just launched, and you guys can get one actually. I'll link it down below. Yeah. So I'm gonna use this color right here. Oh my god, I was like forgetting what I was gonna say. And I'm gonna go ahead and apply this to the crease as my transition color. I'm just gonna work in that color just to make sure that it's as blended as I like it to be. And then I kind of want it to be a little bit more like darker. So I'm gonna keep adding more layers to it and then just blending everything out. So I do take my time doing this. I like to concentrate a lot when I apply my shadows. So then I went with this other color right here, and then I'm just going to apply this right in the outer corner. I kind of wanted the outer corner to be the darkest part of the shadow. So I do apply the color more in the outer corner, and then I kind of just blend whatever I have left in the inner corner. Then I'm going with the shimmery shade, and I'm going to go ahead and apply that right onto my brow bone just to give it a little highlight and to help put the eyeshadow look together. So I like to apply it, and then I go back with that same brush that I was applying the color, blend everything out. And then I decided to go with the black shadow and apply this right in the outer corner of the eye. I wanted the smokiness to be in the outer corner, so I went ahead and applied all the colors mostly in the outer corner and then blending them inwards. Whatever I had left over, that's what I went ahead and applied in the inner corner. Alright guys, so I got distracted and then I was having a conversation and I ended up finishing the look on one eye, and then I remembered I was filming. So I'm going to show you guys what I did on the other eye, because I mean, I was almost done with the look. I just applied an eyeshadow on the lid, but I'm just going to apply that same brown color all over the crease. This is going to be my blending shadow. Is going to help me blend all my shadows. And then I'm gonna go ahead and apply the other brown shade, the warmer brown, in the same place, just making sure that all the colors are more pigmented and are more like heavy on the outer corner, because that's where I want the smokiness to be. So I make sure that I apply the color in the outer corner and then I moved it inwards, so whatever I had left would go in and it's not as harsh as the outer corner, if you guys get me what I'm trying to say. Then after that, I went ahead and blended everything out. I'm actually going to fast forward this part so you guys can see, and then I'll get back when we're going to apply the lid color. Oh my god. So I'm using the Morphe concealer and a Morphe flat synthetic brush. I'm going to go ahead and apply this on my lid. This is going to help me carve out my crease. I'm actually doing like a smaller cut crease than I would normally do. Since I do have hooded eyes, I do like to do my eyeshadow a little bit higher when I'm doing a cut crease. But I kind of wanted something not so dramatic, but yet still pretty. So I did do a cut crease, but smaller this time. So I'm just carving out where I want to apply my shadow, and I make sure that that's where I want it, and make sure that the concealer is clean. So I'm going to use this shadow right here. I do like to prep my brush with a little bit of setting spray just because it helps with the fallout. It helps the shadow stay a lot longer, and it just makes the shadow pop a little bit more, and I just like the feeling of it as well. So I'm just going to go ahead and apply this where I carved with the concealer. It's just going to make the look a lot cleaner and nicer. So that's what I went ahead and I did. I didn't really do that much. I just wanted to make sure that, you know, the outer corner was really smoked out. So I'm just gonna go back and apply a little bit more of the black shadow and just smoke everything out. So I'm just making sure that everything's really nice and blended and that both eyes look the same. So I'm just going to go ahead and blend all that. Then I go back with that same brush I used in the beginning and I help it blend a little bit more. So for lashes, I am using my Into You lashes, and I'll link where I got them from. I also have a discount code if you guys are interested in using a discount code to save some money on lashes. PrettyGrace for some money off. So I'm just going to go ahead and apply these. These are my favorite lashes. I've been wearing them on and off for a while. So make sure you check them out. Like I said, I will link them down below for you guys if you guys are interested in getting some. So yeah. Anyways, I'm just letting them dry a little bit. Then I'm just retouching anything that I feel that needs to be retouched. Usually when you apply lashes, the look looks a little different. So you just want to go back and kind of retouch anything that you feel that needs to be touched up or anything like that. So that's what basically I'm doing right now, just to make sure that everything looks the same. So yeah, so I have two different lip combinations for you guys. I have this red lip, so I'm gonna show you guys. This is a pencil from Makeup Forever, and I just like to kind of align my lips a little bit. Lately I've been doing it, so I kind of want to get more lip pencils because I kind of like how that looks. So I kind of just line up how I want to do my lips, and then I go and fill them in with the liquid lip. So I do kind of just go light a little bit, then I go, once I like how my lips are lined up, then I go a little bit dark. So I'm using the liquid lipstick from Morphe, and this is in the color Morphe. A lot of people are like, Morphe, are you sure that's the name? Yeah, that's what it says on the bottom. It's in the color Morphe, and I really like it. So I'm planning to go back and get a little, like maybe two more just to have backup, because I really like this red color. It looks really nice. So definitely check them out. Get yourself a red lip, because for this holidays, a red lip is what's on, like, it's it right now. So yeah, so this is the first lip color I wanted to show you guys. I decided to do a red. It's for a holiday look, but I really like nude lips, so I did another one for you guys. This one is a nude lip color, and it looks nice, and I did do a poll on my Instagram and Facebook. So yeah. All right, so the next combination is a lip pencil from Morphe. This one is called Frenchie. I'm not sure if this one came with that lip trio that they were selling, or it came in a single. It probably did come in a lip trio. I'm not sure, most likely, because I honestly never really got in any lip pencils. But anyways, so I'm applying this to my lips. This one is my favorite pencil. And then I'm going to be using Kissy Face on top of that. And it's a pretty nude lipstick. I do have a video on the lipstick swatches of Morphe. I think they're probably all of them, or they're just the new collection they had a while back. I do have a swatch video if you guys are interested in finding a perfect lipstick for you guys. You guys can definitely check it out. Then I'm using Crown something. I forgot the name of it. I'll list it down below. It's a lip gloss on top of this, because I just like, you know what? I need a lip gloss. And that's the final look. I really hope you guys enjoy it. Let me know which lip combo is your favorite. Is it the red one or the nude one? Let me know what would you rock. I want to thank you guys again for watching. Stay tuned for more videos. I love you guys so much. And I'll talk to you guys in my next one. Happy holidays, guys. Bye.